On a day when rain came down, puddles deep and puddles wide, but Dr. Foster didn't hide. Dr. Foster, coat and boots, splashed around with cheerful hoots. The rain it poured, the wind it blew, but Dr. Foster's joy just grew. Dr. Foster jumped up high as raindrops fell from the sky. Children joined him in the play, laughing on that rainy day. Dr. Foster waved goodbye as the clouds began to dry. Back to town he went along, humming a happy little song.